I mean, there is a different opinions in the market regarding this. I mean, the technical opinion is also very easily to understand. You know that plastics expand generally by temperature, and that is nothing more than the distance between the molecule chains are expanding also, so it's wider. So it is easy to understand that black film have a little bit slightly, but we speak also the white film is also expanding by higher temperature. That is independent of the color. But we know that black color is a little bit, or the darker color. I mean, the difference between dark green and black is not so extremely high. And how you can understand how it is working? I mean, in Spain we have 90% in black, and Spain is very warm climatic country, but it is also mostly close to the coast. So the explaining is very easy. When you have a lot of wind, and then the sun have not so a big impact of the temperature in the plastic, and then you have also the convection cooling on the plastic. And in that wise, the plastic is not rising or expanding so much. And the permeability is not going really worst. When you put also the black bales in a shadow, you have also not big problems with that. Another issue is when you wrap one layer over, you have also not a big problem. The black plastic have one positive effect. It's more stable against sun because of the carbon. Carbon is a very solid product. It's not degrading much, and black carbon, yeah, you know, it comes together. It works together, and the big difference is one issue. We spoke, especially in the Nordic countries, in Scandinavian markets. There's the issue. They have a big problem with birds, and I mean, birds are looking for fodder in a winter, of course, when it's very snowy. In Spain, there's no snow, maybe in the mountains, but not in valleys. And the birds have one issue: they can recognize contrast. They don't see the colors, but the issue is when you have white bale, and that is the issue. What I named the effect is wet T-shirt effect. I mean, it is more not so opaque. Black color is not so opaque like white color, and the grass what is inside is recognized by the birds like fodder, and they try to pick it. And that is, yes, we make some examination, and also we have spoken with different opinions of farmers, and they believe really that the black color is protecting the attack of against birds. And that's the reason, because the birds have not the good possibility. They see contrast and they don't see the warm, but they see contrast, and they think that when it's in a white color and the light color, that the worm is on the packet and they don't see it and they pick it. So that's the reason what I would say. That is the difference between black and white.